Welcome. If you want to use split screen in your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, for the first you have to open apps that you are going to use. So in my case, I will go for the Google Chrome and for the YouTube. Click on the home button to go back to our main screen, and right now open background apps with this button right here. Right now we have to tap on the icon of the application, and here we got the small window with the options, so we have to pick up the second, open in the split screen view. And right now we can select our second application, and right now we are able to work on the two apps at the same time. And you can also change the size of the application with this switcher, and if you want to close it, just swipe like that. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.